July 28, 2025. Staging a print driver for the new Ricoh printer in the ECE office.
We're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate setting up the directories where we're going to store the print driver for the new print driver that's in the ECE office, and this is the Ricoh. And so we're going to set up the directories, and then we're going to download the driver and unpack the driver in preparation for installing the printer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come down here to the start flag, and we're going to do a right click. Then we're going to into File Explorer, and then I'm going to go into Downloads, and I don't have anything in my Downloads directory. So what we want to do is I'm going to come over into the white space here. I could click on the Downloads, do a right click on the Downloads directory over here on the left, come down to New, and then click Folder. That's what we want to do. We want to create a new folder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the white space, come down to New, and then go to Folder. They'll both do the same thing. They'll allow you to make a folder here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a directory called Print Drivers, and then we'll hit Enter. Then we're going to double click and go into the Print Drivers directory. Again, do a right click, go to New, and then go to Folder. And here what we're going to do is we're going to type Ricoh Universal Print Driver. Now these folder names, there's nothing magical about them. I'm just trying to make something that's descriptive. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open a web browser. And I'm going to open Google. And so what I'll do now is I'm going to search. I'll come up here in the text bar, and I'm going to say Ricoh print driver. Okay, let's try that again. I think I typed Frico. I want Ricoh. R-I-C-O-H. Print driver. Download. Okay, and so what I'm getting here up at the top, it says support and downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'll just accept the cookies. So here it says, here you can drill down and get a specific print driver. We're just going to use the universal print driver. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see it says universal print driver, and it says get your print driver. So I'll just go ahead and click the text there, and it says what operating system do you want. I'm going to do Windows 11. If you're doing Windows 10, by all means download the Windows 10. So I'm going to click choose, and so it brought me down here. Choose another OS. So I clicked on this bar here that said Windows, so I'm going to click Windows 11, and then I'm just going to download the PCL6 driver for Universal Print. Okay, and so I'll click Download, and I've set my browser up to let me choose where to download. If you haven't done that, it might just download it straight to your downloads directory. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Print Drivers, Ricoh Universal Print Driver. I'm going into that directory, and I'm going to click Save. And there you can see it finished saving. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually close the browser, and let me just get there from the beginning. I'm going to do a right click on the start flag, go to File Explorer, go to Downloads, Print Drivers, Ricoh Universal Print Driver. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click this .exe file, and I'll go ahead and double click that. And what it will do is it's going to unzip. It's basically a zip bomb. That's one of the reasons why we put it in a isolated directory. So we're going to click the Browse button here, and then we're going to go to Downloads, Print Drivers, the Ricoh Universal Print Driver, and select that directory. That way it'll put it here in the same directory where we downloaded the .exe file, and it's going to unzip the data. So we'll hit unzip. Okay, and we'll click OK. And we can close this dialog box with the WinZip. And you'll see that you have two directories here. We're actually going to go into this disk1 directory when we do the actual install. And we'll see that in the next video. Okay, thanks for listening, and I hope this was helpful.